Hello everyone. So I know I haven't really filmed anything, and I know there were a lot of you masters out that I haven't filmed anything for. I'm not taking my master playing very seriously right now, but we are gonna take seriously is Bird Arashi has officially come to Enstars Chinese server. And so have some beautiful boys. I'm really nervous because I'm close to having a second scout for him. Only about, I don't know, a couple hundred dia away, 400 dia, like roughly. I don't want to do the math right now, too nervous. I really want Arashi, because he's been my best boy for a really long time. Leo joined him on a special day known as May 5th, aka Leo's birthday. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna do a second scout during the event, and I'll probably put that on like social media. That is not YouTube because I don't want to refilm something. But yeah. I'm really scared. Like, I already know that I have him on JP, but like I'm terrified because like this is gonna be the fate of my on-star scouting. I already did my ritual, which is playing every single song in the drama CD all at the same time. And I have all my Arashi merch, which is not a lot. Oh crap, actually I forgot one. Close enough. Okay. 2 out of 3 of my mini Arashi merches. I don't spend too much money on merchandise because of where I live. And I'm sitting in front of a Knight's print. This is exactly what I did for Robin Hood Leo, basically, except now I have Fight for Judge and Silent Oath with me. So, pray to God, pray. I'm gonna do the scout because I don't know if my friend has. I don't think she has. But I'm gonna scout. I forgot to tell my other friend that I'm scouting, but I'll just tell her and cry later. I have to play piano. I'm gonna play emo songs, so. No. I don't want to click it. It's Leo. Yeah. Okay. Yay! Not exactly everything I wanted, but Leo is also my best boy. Not getting any other 4 stars makes me upset. I got Risu. You know who I didn't get though? I didn't get Izumi. What the hell, man? Bug. I am really tempted to solo, but I know I can get another 400 dia for about the 400 that I need, but I don't want to. No, Arashi, why? I'm gonna do like 1 solo. Can I pat him? Yeah, I can. Okay. Oh no! I knew he didn't love me. I'm sorry if you hear the computer whirring. Okay, that makes me feel better. Let me do it again. This is not good. Don't solo at home, kids. Don't solo at home. Wait. Okay, you can solo at home sometimes. I am going to solo one more time because Oneya-chan is. I know this is bad because I technically could have saved another 450 dia, but like, I don't think that he's gonna come home anyway. It's So I feel like I'm just gonna solo away all my crap because I am a loser and I hate my life and Chan a lot and he fucking hates me. Oh, I'm sorry. Language! I am mad at myself. I'm sorry. I did not say anything bad. Blaze it. This better. It's just making me more upset the more I solo. But like, you know what? Whatever. Oh my god, that is not good. Literally, why am I doing this? I'm mad at myself. It's salty specs. I really want Arashi. Like, really badly. What the hell? Ray, no! I don't know why I'm doing this, just... What am I doing with my life? You know what? I have no more solos.
Ma. Ara. Bo. Ara. Bo. Ma. Ara. Bo. Ara. ぼーっとしないで。私に見とれてたら日が暮れちゃうわよ。
All right. Basically. Now you guys know that this year my best boys will not love me. Not like last year. Don't you just feel so happy right now? You're probably thinking, oh, she deserved it. Okay, I guess Leo does love me, which makes me happy because I love Leo too. But, this is a scouting for Arashi because we got 5 stars. Awesome stuff. Wait, I don't even have to do this, wait. Let me see what I can do. Nope, never mind. Never mind. So close yet so far. Come on. Okay, we have enough to do that, and then we'll just bloom him next time. Okay. Makes me sad. I will get another red fragment from him because... Yep. So that's it, basically. Now we all know that Arashi hates me. Do you hate me? Basically. It's okay. I will get over it. Hopefully. He's staring into my soul. Yep. Bye.